Occasionally, it becomes necessary to provide additional information for users. With the release of version 8.2 of EspoCRM, accomplishing this task takes mere seconds. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can seamlessly add a new panel to the EspoCRM Details view using the Graphical User Interface, GUI. Firstly, navigate to the Administration section and scroll down to the Entity Manager. Locate the entity in which you wish to incorporate the new information panel and click on Layouts. Proceed to the Details view and click on the pencil icon to initiate modifications. Enter the desired information in the Note text field and select a style for your note. Afterward, click Apply and then Save. You can now verify your changes. Visit the entity where the new information panel should appear and confirm its presence. As demonstrated, our note is now visible. Should you wish to remove the note, simply return to the Layout settings, delete the note, click Apply, and then Save. Refresh the page, and it's done. You've now learned how to create informative notes for your users effortlessly. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates.